Welcome to our exploration of the vibrant color trends set to dominate 2025. Hi, I'm Emma, Darius Mrkonic's assistant. Say goodbye to dull grays and embrace the lively hues that will transform our living spaces into personal sanctuaries filled with warmth and personality. In 2025, color experts predict a shift towards layered colors, moving away from stark whites and cool neutrals. Expect to see a mix of unexpected and traditional shades, including electric brights and new neutrals that tell personal stories. Sherwin-Williams highlights timeless colors like antiquarian browns and earthy yellows, emphasizing personalization in home design. This trend reflects a desire to create nurturing spaces that feel personal and comforting, moving away from predetermined palettes. Warm hues like caramel browns and honeyed neutrals are becoming popular, offering comfort and serenity. These colors can be incorporated into both contemporary and traditional homes, providing warmth and a soothing environment. Otherworldly blues are set to shine in 2025, with shades like cosmic cobalt and encore making a statement. These deep blues draw inspiration from nature, creating a calming yet captivating presence in any space. Desert-inspired browns, such as chocolate and toffee, are making a comeback. These earthy tones provide a comforting backdrop for natural materials, adding warmth and elegance to modern interiors. Bold ebony and striking plum shades are gaining popularity, offering depth and elegance. These rich colors are perfect for making a statement, grounding lighter palettes and adding a touch of sophistication to any room. As we conclude our journey through 2025's color trends, remember that choosing colors is a personal journey. Embrace the vibrant hues that resonate with you and transform your space into a reflection of your unique style. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.